Available in 3 grades, XLE, Limited and Platinum, Toyota Crown will offer a choice of 2 different hybrid powertrains, Hybrid Max or the Toyota Hybrid System. Hybrid Max is Toyota's all-new performance hybrid that puts out a manufacturer-estimated 340 net horsepower and a net 400 pounds-to-foot of torque. The XLE and Limited grades are equipped with the Toyota Hybrid System that pairs front and rear electric motors with a 2.5-liter engine. This highly efficient hybrid system can achieve an EPA estimated 41 mpg combined rating. The system's nickel metal hydride battery output has increased to support responsive acceleration at low speeds and provide a satisfying driving feel. The Limited grade also comes equipped with XLE features and adds multi-beam LED headlights, a fixed panoramic roof, leather seats that are heated and ventilated up front and heated in the rear, 11-speaker JBL premium audio system, rain-sensing windshield wipers and front and rear parking assist with automatic braking. There is also an available advanced technology package that adds dark metallic 21-inch, 10-spoke alloy wheels, a panoramic view monitor and digital key, with Remote Connect subscription. Toyota Crown comes well equipped at a MSRP starting at $39,950 for the XLE grade, $45,550 for the Limited grade and $52,350 for the Platinum grade. Toyota Crown is expected to arrive at Toyota dealerships in early 2023. Toyota Crown provides exemplary comfort with standard 8-way power-adjustable driver and front passenger seats. Front seat adjustments include slide, recline, tilt, height adjust and lumbar support, driver seat only. Rear seats include ample cushioning and bolster support for maximum enjoyment. The Toyota Crown comes with standard heated front seats that can be adjusted to 3 levels. Limited and Platinum add standard ventilated front seats and heated rear seats to the list of creature comforts. The seats offer comfort and style, with Softex and black woven fabric seating on the XLE, and leather seats standard on the Limited and Platinum grades. Dual zone climate control, standard for all grades, is accessed via a thin illuminated control panel that runs along the dashboard, just below the multimedia screen, along with other frequently used functions. All Toyota Crown grades also receive a 12.3-inch color mid. Drivers can select different displays with the push of a button, including a hybrid system indicator showing the driver system output and regeneration status to encourage eco-driving habits. As used on other Toyota hybrid models, the display suggests optimal amounts of acceleration for eco-driving. Toyota Crown Platinum and Limited grades include a standard fixed panoramic moonroof. For added function and ambience, in-cabin LED lighting adds a premium feel. Illumination includes overhead and front/rear footwell lighting, cup holders, USB ports and door handle accents. Toyota Crown has drivers and passengers plugged in when it comes to charging devices. On the driver's side, a vertical type wireless Qi charger with enhanced space efficiency comes standard. There is also a standard USB Type A and 12 volts charging port inside the console. A separate dual USB Type C terminal is also standard on the passenger side, with the insertion port intentionally pointing to the passenger seat. For rear seat passengers, 2 USB Type-C ports are standard. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.